Hi, how are you? Let's draw a nice scenery in this circle. You can see there are two lines which are quite parallel to one another, and the circle is already drawn. Now we are going to draw a line in the middle from left to the right. Okay, you can see this is a straight line, making it darker. Awesome. There's going to be a house, nice house, of course, drawing here. And let's draw another vertical line, also another line here. All right, so we're going to draw the pitch roof from this house, and it's going to little bit inclined. Awesome. And another inclined line you can see on the left side. Okay, and let's draw another line parallel to the previous one, and putting the shades downwards direction. Okay, and the door going to be like this, and a window on this side. Another small hut you can see on the side, maybe it's the kitchen or some other purpose. So this is little bit smaller, and let's draw again two vertical lines here. Awesome. Drawing the window and door, of course, here in the side. Okay, there's going to be a straight pole, and this is on the side, so you can see the electricity lines may be coming from here. Let's connect from these 2 points. Okay, and another two lines just going outside. Okay, and there's going to be a wall on the side. Okay, another wall you can see on this side. Awesome. And some trees, taller trees, which is just pointy on top and just spreading out on both sides as it's coming to the ground. Okay, so you can see some trees are smaller and some trees are bigger. Also you can see the appearance over the rooftop. So it has a main line. Okay, and you can put the dark shades on the one side. Okay, another dark line you can put here. Okay, so there's the drawing, and this is the chimney. You can see the fumes are coming up, and here's you can see a road. Mhm. Some poles which is getting smaller as it goes farther. So on the both sides you can see the poles here. Okay, putting some horizontal lines and a few lines for the field. Here it's going to be the traditional landscapes, so defining the plain lands. Awesome. Some shades you can see on the left side from each pole. Because of the sunshine you can see the shades. Awesome. And some vertical lines you can see from here. Okay, so it's the drawing the simple and easy, and I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.